Tang There are 6 items in this list. Below, find those items hidden within the scene and touch them. Start by touching the newspaper. Great! When you need help, I can give you a hint. Try it now. Continue now zoom in to see the smaller items. Try it out on the cigarette. Now let's see. Now find the 3 remaining items hidden in the scene. Okay, good afternoon, good morning, at magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa Tagalog, magandang umaga, hapon, gabi sa inyo mga chikoy. Welcome back sa panibagong video. Ito ang debut game na pinost ko sa YouTube post na ako doon for in part 1 criminal case. Tayo ay magiging detective dito at maghuhuli tayo ng mastermind na pagkamatay ng biktima dito. Ito yung ito yung dead body kanina. Ito yung ginamit. Change clear. Ay, yung kutsilyo ay yung ginamit pagkamatay ng babae. So, the victim name is si Rosa Wolf daw yan. We must send her body on the lab for autopsy. This bloody knife is our murder weapon. A murder weapon ay ginamit pang pagpatay ng suspect. Congratulations, Officer Sprit. Sprit kagad. You did great on your first investigation. Unang-unang kaso to. Here your tablet. This is where you pick up your next action. Yeah. In 5 seconds. I studied the one of the victim neck and I can tell you for sure that the killer is right-handed. Killer daw, right-handed daw. Officer Sprit, I've added this info to your file. Officer Sprit, Ensemble King, the chief of police officer. According to a witness, the killer wears a blue cap. Nagsuot daw ng blue cap ang killer. Go back to the town entrance and inspect the wreck house to find evidence we're missing. Naggalit. Sige na, una. Alam ko na. Actually, simula lang ako dito. Watermelon. Tricycle. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-hint. Alam ko na. Watering can. Tricycle. Blue fabric. Oh! Ito, may blue. Baka ito yung damit. Mailbox and tire. Dali lang yun. Kaso ano, una-una kasi lang. Una-una tong kaso. So level 2 na ako. May this town public is covered in blood. Let's piece it back together and see what the scene looks like. Blue fabric. Examinin natin tapos malalaman natin. Oops. Oh, damit. This football jersey has got the number 9 on it. This is evidence we were missing. Officer's Fate, let's arrest the killer now. Ayun na, nalaman na sino ang killer. Also now, hindi siya killer. Meron siyang blue cap, right-handed siya. As you can see, this one not kung the killer. Yes, oh, so perfecto siya ang killer. Do you think one might be the killer? Right-handed siya. Meron siyang sombrero at may line siya. Also now, siya ang killer. You turn officer dog suspect watching the killer's forward. Guilty. Also si Matt Barry ang suspect. Officer speak you will give well in this case. You deserve a bronze medal as a reward for putting him behind. Siyempre, win tayo. Yan. Great choice of clothes, Officer's Fate. You're now the assassin in your place. Also now, dyan lang muna tayo. Goodbye.